आज हामी अर्ग्यानोमेटालिक कम्पाउन्डको बारेमा पढ्न गइरहेछौँ। सो त्यसमा हामीले फर्स्टमा इन्ट्रोडक्सन के हो, जेनरल फर्मुला अफ अर्ग्यानोमेटालिक कम्पाउन्ड्स एन्ड लास्टमा एक्जाम्पल्स अफ अर्ग्यानोलिथियम, अर्ग्यानोकपर, अर्ग्यानोक्याडमियम कम्पाउन्ड्स हेर्छौँ। सो त्यसपछि हामीले नेचर अफ मेटलका त्यसपछि हामीले नेचर अफ मेटल कार्बन बन्डको बारेमा डिस्कस गर्नेछौँ। एन्ड एट लास्ट ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेन्ट। सो ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेन्ट भनेको के हो, त्यसको प्रिपरेसन कस्तो, युजिङ हेलोएल्केन एन्ड हेलोएरिन बोथ वेबाट हामी त्यो कसरी प्रिपेयर गर्न सक्छौँ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेन्ट, त्यो कभर गर्नेछौँ। एन्ड एट लास्ट सम अफ द रियाक्सन युजिङ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेन्ट विथ वाटर, अल्डिहाइड एन्ड किटोन्स, कार्बन डाइअक्साइड, एचसिएन, आरसिएन, स्टर्स एन्ड एसिड क्लोराइड। सो यति सकेर हामी यो अर्ग्यानोमेटालिक कम्पाउन्ड च्याप्टर सकाउँछौँ। सो स्टार्ट गरौँ इन्ट्रोडक्सनबाट। सो अब नेमबाटै क्लियर छ कि इट इज अर्ग्यानो प्लस मेटालिक कम्पाउन्ड। सो फर्स्टली अर्ग्यानिक कम्पाउन्डलाई हामीले डिनोट गर्न जेनरली सी, द्याट इज कार्बन भएको कम्पाउन्डलाई अर्ग्यानिक कम्पाउन्ड। सो कार्बनसँग कुनै पनि मेटलले बन्ड बनाएर बसाछ भने such type of compounds are generally known as organometallic compounds. So our definition हेरौँ। Organometallic compounds are the compounds containing at least one chemical bond between carbon atom and organic molecules of an organic molecules and a metal, including alkali, alkaline earth metal and transition metals. So at least एउटा कार्बन जुन चाहिँ अर्ग्यानिक मोलिक्युलमा छ, त्यो कार्बनले एटलिस्ट एउटा बन्ड कुनै पनि मेटल, सो द्याट मे बी अ अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल, अल्काली, ट्रान्जिसन मेटल्स, कुनैसँग बन्ड बनाएर बसेको छ भने दे आर सिम्पली नन एज अर्ग्यानोमेटालिक कम्पाउन्ड्स। सो इट इज डिफाइन्ड एज एन कम्पाउन्ड कन्टेनिङ अ मेटल कार्बन बन्ड। अर्ग्यानिक मेटालिक कम्पाउन्ड्स भनेपछि मेटल एन्ड कार्बनको बन्ड भएको कम्पाउन्ड हो। द बन्डिङ, अब कस्तो टाइपको बन्ड हुनसक्छ त्यो बिचमा, सो द बन्डिङ मे बी अ आयोनिक, कोभ्यालेन्ट अर डिलोकलाइज्ड बिट्विन द अर्ग्यानिक ग्रुप एन्ड देन मेटल एटम। सो त्यो बिचमा आयोनिक बन्ड हुन पायो, कोभ्यालेन्ट बन्ड हुन पायो, और इट क्यान बी अ डिलोकलाइज्ड बिट्विन अर्ग्यानिक ग्रुप एन्ड मेटल एटम। द बन्डिङ इज आयोनिक, अगेन हामी यो कुरा रिपिट गर्छौँ कि बिकज इट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट थिङ। अब दुईवटा द्याट इज कार्बन एन्ड मेटल बिचमा कस्तो टाइपको बन्ड हुनसक्छ, द्याट इज आयोनिक, कोभ्यालेन्ट, डिलोकलाइज्ड बिट्विन एन अर्ग्यानिक ग्रुप एन्ड अ मेटल ग्रुप, एन्ड दे आर डिभाइडेड इन्टु टु टाइप्स। जेनरली इट इज डिभाइडेड इन्टु टु टाइप्स, दे आर सिमेट्रिकल एन्ड अनसिमेट्रिकल। सो सिमेट्रिकल भनेपछि इट इज C2H5 HgNC2H5. So like यो हाम्रो मेटल हो, मेटल द्याट इज मर्करी। सो वेन मर्करी इज बन्डेड विथ बोथ साइड, यहाँ पनि एउटा इथाइल ग्रुप, हियर इज अल्सो अ इथाइल ग्रुप। सो इन सच केस इट इज नेम्ड एज डाइइथाइल मर्करी। एन्ड सिन्स यो मर्करी कम्पाउन्डको बोथ साइड सिमेट्रिक देखिरहेछ भने सो इट इज कल्ड एज सिमेट्रिकल अर्ग्यानोमेटालिक कम्पाउन्ड। नेक्स्ट इज अनसिमेट्रिकल। अब अनसिमेट्रिकल भएपछि कुनै पनि बन्डको दुवैतिर डिफ्रेन्ट छ, C2H, यतातिर इथाइल छ भने दिस इज इथाइल छ भने हियर इज मिथाइल। So this is methyl group. So it is named as alphabetical order ethyl, methyl, mercury. So in this case mercury जुन compound छ यसको both side unsymmetry छ, that is एक side ethyl छ अर्को side methyl छ, so they are considered as unsymmetrical compounds. So mixed organometallic compounds are those in which a metal atom is bonded with more than one identity of organic or Inorganic constituents, for example, here is C2H5MgBr. So यहाँ के छ यो magnesium एक side. So this is the organic एक side यो चाहिँ inorganic. So when any metal यो चाहिँ metal हाम्रो when any metal is bonded with two different, that is एकतिर organic and एकतिर inorganic compounds, they are considered as mixed organometallic compounds. अब हामी some of the different types of organometals बारेमा हेर्छौँ. So first one is organolithium compound. So organolithium आएपछि it is quite obvious organic compound bonded with lithium ion. So lithium. So when organic compound is bonded with lithium ions, they are considered as organolithium compounds. Their general formula is RLI. So RLI. So where this R may be, this R is alkyl group or aryl group. So हामी यहाँ भन्न सक्छौँ कि we have जुन यो alkyl and aryl. So यो कुनै हुन पायो हैन, because alkyl or aryl both are considered as organic compound. The bond is covalent but strongly polar in nature. So यो दुईटा बिच bond छ, this bond, so this bond is covalent bond but strongly polar in nature. So some of the examples like CH3 lithium, so it is called as methyl lithium. For example, next is ethyl lithium. So this is ethyl lithium, here C2H5, and then this one is phenyl lithium. It is like benzene ring छ योसँग lithium आयो भने this is considered as phenyl lithium. Now the next type of organometallic compound is organocopper compound. So it contains carbon and carbon bond where, so sorry, here is carbon and copper. So it contains the carbon copper bond. There are two types of organocopper compounds. So they are organocopper compounds, that is named as, that is written as RCU, is organocopper compound, and next is lithium organocuprates. It is R2CuLi. It is named as lithium organocuprates. So here this organocopper compounds is example of CH3. So it is similar as organolithium. Here the organic compound C, so the carbon of the organic compound is bonded with the metal Cu and it is named as methyl copper, ethyl copper, etc. So you say simple भयो. Now the next one is lithium organocuprates. So यसलाई हामीले के भन्न सकेछौँ, गिलम्यान्स रिएजेन्ट. So in lithium organocuprates, that is Gilman's reagent, its example is CH3 whole twice CuLi. So यहाँ के दुईटा, here you can see that it has R2 भनेपछि 2 alkyl slash aryl group, that is it is named as lithium dimethyl cuprate. Now the third type is organocompounds. organocadmium compounds. यसमा के छ cadmium metal कुनै पनि carbon, that is the molecule, that is organic molecule. So they contain carbon and cadmium bond. So हामीले जेनरल यसमा के पाउँछौँ, कार्बन एन्ड क्याडमियम बिचको बन्ड. Their general formula is R2CD. R2CD. Here R2 भनेपछि दुईटा कि त अल्काइल ग्रुप कि त एराइल ग्रुप. So for example, here is dimethyl cadmium. Here CH3CH2 भनेपछि it is ethyl. So diethyl cadmium. So these are some of the examples of organocadmium compounds. So अब यहाँ हामीले लगभग तीनटा अर्ग्यानो मेटलको बारेमा पढाएको छौँ. So they are, first one is organolithium, second one is organo copper, and the third one is organocadmium. So यो सँगै हाम्रो different types of organometallic compound सक्यो. अब हामी Grignard's reagent को बारेमा पढ्छौँ. So let's start the Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagents are also the organometallic compounds. So Grignard reagent is also a organometallic compounds having a carbon to magnesium covalent bond and magnesium to halogen ionic bond. So यसमा के छ भने, firstly the organic, that is CH3, or it is replaced by R. So R is bonded to magnesium and that magnesium is bonded to Cl. So हामीले यसलाई अघि पढेको भन्न सक्छौँ कि it is considered as mixed organometallic. So here the carbon is bonded to magnesium and magnesium covalent bond and magnesium to halogen ionic bond. So they are named as alkyl magnesium halide, that is RMGX. So it is general form of this is RMGX, where R may be a alkyl or aryl group, where R may be a alkyl or aryl group. They are highly reactive in nature. They are highly reactive in nature and used in synthesis of many important organic compounds like alkane बनाउन, alcohol बनाउन, carboxylic acid. So these are the different organic compounds जुन बनाउन हामीले प्राय जसो Grignard reagents use गरिरहन्छौँ. So let's talk about the preparations of Grignard reagent. Our Grignard reagent कसरी बनाइन्छ त्यो हेरौँ. So when haloalkane or haloarine, that is RX or ARX, यहाँ X भनेको halogen, that is X equals ClBr. So when haloalkane or haloarine are reacted with magnesium metal, so that is like it is reacted with magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, Grignard reagent is prepared. That is haloalkane. So here Rx is haloalkane plus Mg. In the presence of dry ether, it gives you, so it must wire like RMGX formation. So these are the examples here. CH3Cl. So this is the haloalkane. When it is treated with magnesium in presence of dry ether, it gives CH3MgCl. So like this Mg jumps in between here and it forms methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride. Again, next example. Here is bromoethane treated with Mg. It gives CH3CH2Mg. So ethyl magnesium bromide. Now bromobenzene and iodobenzene from Grignard reagent react treated with magnesium metal in dry ether, but fluorobenzene does not. सो हामीले यहाँबाट थाहा पाउन सक्छौँ जुन बेन्जिन हुन्छ नि सो when benzene is bromose like Br or benzene with iodine so यो दुईटा चाहिँ from Grignard resin treated with magnesium metal in dry ether but fluorobenzene does not. So you both can treat but fluoro that is F it can't. So it can't. In the preparation of Grignard resin that is tetrahydrofuran, a cyclic ether or dry ether is used to avoid air moisture irritation. So हामीले dry ether किन युज गरिरहेछ because to avoid the moisture of air to avoid the air moisture irritation and to provide inert atmosphere. It is because Grignard reagent is highly reactive. Grignard reagent जुन हाम्रो छ it is RMGX so they are highly reactive. It can react with H2O, water, carbon dioxide, oxygen सबैसँग सबै जेनरली पाइरहेको जुन कम्पाउन्ड्सहरू सबैसँग यो हाम्रो ग्रिनार्ड रिएजेन्ट क्यान रियाक्ट